In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a contact from an email in Gmail. Managing your contacts efficiently is crucial for staying organized, and Gmail makes it quite simple to add new contacts directly from your inbox. Whether you're a seasoned Gmail user or new to the platform, this step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate new contacts into your list. First, let's navigate to your Gmail inbox. Open your preferred web browser, type in mail.google.com, and log in with your Gmail credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, the next thing to do is to locate the email from the person whom you want to add to your contacts list. This might be an old email thread or a recent message you've received. Go through your inbox and open the email that contains the sender's details. Now, with the email open, direct your attention to the sender's name or email address, which you'll find prominently displayed at the top of the message. By hovering your mouse cursor over this area, a pop-up window will appear. This window provides you with quick actions you can take regarding the sender, and it's where you'll find the option to add them to your contacts. When the pop-up appears, look for a small icon or link that says Add to Contacts, or simply More Info. Once you spot this, click on it to open a detailed view of the sender's contact information. This view might include various information fields such as name, email address, and even phone number depending on what's available. Once you're in the detailed view, you have the chance to double check the information and make any necessary adjustments. If you need to add details like a phone number, job title, or organization, you can do so now by clicking the pencil icon, which allows you to edit the contact information. Fill in as much information as you can to keep your contact list comprehensive and useful. After you've made your edits, find the Save button to finalize the process. Clicking Save ensures that all the information is securely stored in your Google Contacts. From this point on, you can easily access this contact from any device where you're logged into your Google account, making it simpler to communicate with them in the future. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've added a new contact to your Gmail address book, making it easier to manage your communications. Remember, keeping your contacts up to date can save you time and enhance how you communicate with others, ensuring you always have the right information at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.